If you don't know Purèz Cosmetics, it's a natural-based brand in the Netherlands. They do natural cosmetics. They make everything by hand. They put a lot of love and care into it. And they specifically formulate their products for sensitive skin and sensitive skin issues. This is the Mineral Foundation. I like that they send you different colors, different shades for each skin depth. So for the light, I got 4. I am going to apply it here on the jawline from my cheek. So I can easily see which color fades away into my skin tone the best. Okay, I'm just applying it next to that one. This one seems a little bit light for me. I like this undertone. It seems a bit balanced between the yellow undertone and the peachy pinky undertone. It has a very strong yellow undertone, and I think it's also close to my skin tone, but I think that CLF10 disappeared the most. Is it 10 or 20? 20. Okay, so the Mineral Foundation comes with its own powder puff. And then it also has one of those sticker thingies. It's a bit more of a plastic lid that keeps the powder inside. And then that's what the powder dispenser looks like. I'm going to try and apply it with their brush. The last time, not brush, sponge. The last time I used one of these black sponges, I'm going to use their sponge today to see how it applies. Just placing it everywhere. So the thing that I've noticed about this powder foundation, I've noticed that it makes my skin look very silky smooth and flawless on my camera, on my work camera. It looks a lot more skin-like than my creamy foundations in person. Okay, so I'm just coming in a bit closer so you can see what that looks like before I put any other face products on. Okay, I'm back with a final look. I think the foundation looks really pretty. It doesn't look too cakey or dry. I'll maybe do a check-in again when it gets colder to just see how it wears when my skin gets on the drier side.